Both of these are based at the Czech Air Force's main helicopter base.
It's not actually that often you see helicopters in formation, let alone different types of helicopters.
NATO standards in terms of communications equipment especially, and very much integrated into the alliance. In fact, the squadron that operates the Hinds is a member of the NATO Tiger Association, and we've seen some very spectacular colour schemes on the Hinds from the unit here in the past. The other machine in this formation, the HIP, is part of the most successful helicopter family in terms of production run in the world. The Mi-8 was the start of it, developed as a new turbine-powered utility helicopter for the Soviet armed forces. More than 17,000 of those alone have been built and counting. It's the largest and longest production run of any helicopter in history. And then you can add to that more than 12,000 examples of the Mi-171 and 171 models, like of which we see here. Lifting capacity. Some of the fleet of HIPs in Czech service are assigned to rescue missions carrying a so-called Bambi bucket as well as a stretcher. Between them, these two types can form a very effective combat search and rescue capability. Today's display is Captain Tomas Svoboda, and the Hind pilot is Major Vaclav Špačný of next. It will be a sad day when that occurs, because this helicopter for the modern Czech Air Force has performed sterling work. Meanwhile, the HIP, which is scheduled to carry on serving the Czechs until at least 2035, coming in here for a touch and go. with that, we finish the display from the mill Mi-24B and Mi-171SH.